we need to decide our project topic by tomorrow. Do you have any ideas?
I was thinking maybe a to-do list apps or something like that simple, not too complicated.
A to-do list. That's kind of too common, don't you think? Almost everyone does that. I actually have another idea. What if we make a period tracker app?
Uh, for a tracker, like for tracking menstrual cycle.
Yes, exactly. I got this idea because honestly, I always forget when my last period was. And a lot of my friends have the same problem. So I thought, why not make something that actually useful?
Oh, okay, actually makes sense. This solves a real problem. I like that. So, what feature are you thinking?
Okay, so the basic one first. The user should be able to record when their period starts and optionally when it ends. Then the app save all that history so they can look back at it anytime.
Right, and I thinking we shall also add the delete feature in case the user actually enters the work update.
Yes, good point. And the most important feature, the app should be able to predict the next period. Like based on the past data, it calculates when the next one will probably come.
Oh, that's actually a really useful feature. So the app basically learns from the user on history, right?
Exactly. It doesn't guess randomly. It uses the user actually the data to make the prediction.
Okay, so how does the prediction work technical with what kind of algorithm do we ask?
So the idea is pretty simple. We calculate the average cycle length from the user history. For example, if the gap between period 1 and period 2 is 28 days, and the gap between period 2 and period 3 is 30 days, the average is 29 days. We just add that average to the last period date to get the prediction.
Makes sense, simple but effective. And for the text stack, I was thinking Flutter since it works on both Android and iOS.
Flutter sounds good to me. And for sorting the data, I think share preference is enough for now. We don't really need a full database for this. It saves data locally on the device, so it works offline.
Yeah, I agree. Let's also use it text for that formatting so the dates show up naturally like 15th January 2024. We handle the cycle calculation logic. Can you ta- take care of the UI?
Okay, let's get coding.
A few moments later.
Okay, your UI is done and my logic is brought in. Let's run the emulator and see if the works.
Alright, I'm running it now, and here's the home screen.
Look clean. Let's the main feature like clicking and print. Let's put January one as for first date.
Okay. Okay, Seth, let's check the history tab.
Yep, is there the it package is working. It say 1 January 2024. Now let's add second date so the apps can calculate the effort. Let's put January 29.
Right. Inputting Gen 29 done. Let's get to back home screen and the prediction should appear now.
Look, prediction next project February 26. it worked. The gap was 28 days, so it added 28 days to January 29.
Okay, and let's test the storage. If I close the apps and open it again, yep, the data is still there. Share preference is working perfectly. Nice job with the algorithm and debug, Jenny. The logic ran perfectly.
And great job on the UI and putting it all together, Shia. It really looks efficient. I think this is a solid project to present to the class tomorrow.
I agree. I'm actually really proud of this one. We built something that worked and solved a real problem.